Now casting four bait. One is bread, second one is pork meat, and third one is cheese, and fourth one is baby corn. But I captured now obviously carp. This is not bass, but huge carp. Oh my god, huge carp. What size is bigger than? And this actually captured by bread. So bread is successful this time. Oh my god. Okay. I'll show you just. Okay. Second fish I captured today, and then actually this is catfish, but biggest catfish I ever captured, and then very different. This is it doesn't like a channel catfish, like very golden yellow color and very thick here, very thick, and then very different. Anyway, this is kind of catfish, but different catfish I ever captured here. And then this bait actually captured by this, can I say, yeah, pork meat, and you can see the face, and obviously this whisker, and then catfish. Okay, I release as soon as possible. He become too tired. Okay, but let's see the face, and then just I'll give you a size bigger than my hand. This is a very interesting capture. I actually captured tortoise. Tortoise. She is fried, but you can see. This is face. Beautiful. This is, yeah. And then a little bit be careful. This guy maybe. Wow. Come on. Oh my god. Okay. Size is something not so big. I'm really surprised. This is face. Don't worry, because you can breathe, so this is no problem. You stay, on the land for a while. So I help you. This is fourth fish I captured this time, and then this is a kind of catfish, obviously, but different catfish. I just previously the previous one I captured previously. This is but this very interesting thing about this fish is that this fish actually eye is very actually like a twinkling, beaming the light, something like a cat. And this is very small, like even small, almost something like this. Yeah. Okay. Are you